we sleep Walmart last night.
We slept Walmart last night at Port Lavaca, and we're gonna head right now to it's called, it's kind of a strange name, FM 521 River Park. That's where we're heading. We're gonna meet Brad there, and
Stay here.
so what I'm doing was, the filler neck was like this, and we had a hole in the wood that filled it this way, but it was a real inconvenience to lift up the cushion every time, so I'm going to put it out here, extend the pipe out, and I'll put like a clamp around this to hold it. That'll be much more easy, because then we just lift up just the end of the cushion here, and should work out good. Kind of made a mess of cutting, but yeah, it could be. Yeah.
Yeah, those she's too excited to
women fight.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
They just have arguments.
Okay, I got the pipe in, so as you can see now, the filler's right here instead of way on the inside now. I'm messing under there, but now you can see how the pipe actually extends out. So, and the water level is right here. So, hopefully, this can be a lot easier. So, I'm going to need to put a bracket here just to hold my pipe up nice and tight. And other than that, that's it. Okay, I am making shrimp
Wow.
Alfredo. In here, there's
Yummy.
green pepper, onion, garlic, and some shrimp.
Smells so good.
Yeah, but then I'm gonna take a little shortcut today. Normally, I make my own Alfredo sauce with cream and butter, but today I'm using the Walmart brand
Because easy.
Alfredo. It smells pretty good.
Because easy, no?
Because it's easy and I'm lazy right now.
You and me with 13 years.
Going on 13 years. Lucky 13, right? Isn't that what they say?
I hope. I hope. Stay. Stay. Look. Good girl. I give you haircut too, Hannah.
All right. We are at a bizarre name for a park. It is called FM 521 River Park. And that's the river over there. Yeah, I can go take a look at the river here. The river must be pretty deep because they got these big barges that actually come down this this river right here. And the highway right there is, I believe, 521. A guy fishing down there. And get a view of the park here. So that's pretty much it.
Okay. Harry, wait. Wait, Heather, wait. Wait. Okay. Boy, good girl.
Okay, we are at Matagorda Bay
Welcome Center.
Nature Park here. Dan is not here. He's riding his bike on the way.
But we leave spots for him.
Yeah, we left a spot for him, so he'll probably be here, what do you think, in an hour?
Couple hours probably.
Yeah, really? If he makes it over that bridge.
Do you see this?
So, great weather right now.
The colors?
Look at the blue. What is this? Is it glass?
I don't know. I've seen it a lot
like
down on the beach.
It's not glass. It's... Yeah, they're like really fixing this place up, huh?
Yeah, it is, man.
Is it free or what? Please limit plane to 4 people.
That could be anything.
Exactly, yeah. Could be a guy, you know.
I don't know if people come up with this shit.
Yeah.
This good.
Good. Hannah? No.
Hina want to try it. No, Hina, no.
I think I'm running out of space here. Put one right here.
How about this? You need to close the
I
end
should've.
more.
Yeah, I should have, huh?
Yeah.
I gotta turn this thing down. It's too high. I don't know how much you want on it. You want half the whole fish? Half of it?
Yes.
Wow. Okay. All right. Here. Which one do you want? This one? Okay, there you go.
Oh no.
Honey, that's gonna be a lot, but it'll be big. Okay. Lettuce, cheese, mayonnaise. Ready? Tell me when.
More.
More?
More.
Wow. Honey.
Okay.
It's gonna be spicy. Cheese too. Lettuce. This little piece right here, center here. I want to load it up with lettuce, and I'm not going to be able to fold it up. Eric? You're not like your mama. Your mama here, she's scaredy. She's scared. She's not like the Hannah.
Hannah like to travel.
Hannah likes to go see new things, huh? Look at outside dog.
The guy fishing. Big hamburger.
What?
Big hamburger.
Yeah, I know.
Oh.
Put cheese on it.
I take it.
No,
Maybe
it's good.
you not want to put a little bit oil.
I don't think I need to, but maybe
not,
you're right.
Not too dry.
Nah, it's not gonna make it. Bun. The bun's beautiful.
You smell beef.
Yeah, you haven't had beef
so
for a while.
good.
Where's my barbecue sauce? Oh, it's back there. I see it.
Because I put in the morning more for and I want closer hot when you're cooking.
Yeah. Making a hamburger here. Put some barbecue sauce on it, honey. Wow, this is gonna be good. I like this dog. Hurry, look at the dog. Look at the dog.
What, Harry? You want to eat too?
Was Hannah sleeping away? She had a good time on the beach.
Yes.
Yeah.
Try your hamburger. Eat now.
That looks so good. Gotta cool off for a little bit.
Another bite. Look at Harry. And he looks like, Dad, give me some, please.
Well, my wife's gonna eat some of my hamburger now.
Try a little bit only. A little bit only.
She'll take more than one bite. I know it. She always takes more than one bite. See, there it is. There's the second bite. She'll probably
Yummy.
You stay here.